Today we're cooking. Today we're No, my gosh. Just keep going. Today we're cooking.
Do you want to get ripped like me? Oh, wait, no, wait. You ready? I'll go, hey guys, do you want to get ripped? Stop, okay, ready? And go. Hey guys, do you want to work out like me and get ripped?
Thank you, sir. After the commercial break, now you take your other pickles. Ew, these are gross. I'll just cut the Now you take these ones. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is the last time.
Hey.
And that is how you make pickle soup. Right? And this is how you make pickle soup. And that's how you make pickle soup. Okay, you take your bowl and you pickle. Oh, that's spicy. That's good stuff. That's good stuff. That's really good. And then you just kind of eat it. That's how you make a pickle soup. Mmm.